Okay, so unfortunately, I'm having footage problems and some files getting corrupted and whatever, but last night we did some drilling for the railing balusters. So we're drilling holes in 2x4s, and then we're going to put top and bottom together and sandwich the baluster in the middle. So we did a bunch of drilling last night. We didn't finish. We're going to do some more today. And yeah, and all that footage is shot, so... Oh well, back at it. So here's the jig that we made for our drill press. So this drill bit we're using a spade bit to drill the holes. It's a little too long, so this base didn't work with our piece of wood, right? Our depth was off. So we had to make our own base, which ended up working out really great. So we bolted this to the bottom from underneath, and then we screwed this down to make a fence. So then all those 2x4s that we marked all the spots we wanted holes. All we had to do was line up against the fence, drill. Line up against the fence, drill. So that's the kind of effectiveness you can get with having a drill press and a fence similar to like a miter saw. Worked out really great for us. So that's what we did. Very simple. And yeah, we're gonna carry on drilling. I've got a couple of different spade bit sets, and the first spade bit set we tried to use was these ones here. They've got these threads on the end. See that? Yeah, there we go. And great in theory that they're gonna screw in and draw this in, but honestly, it's a pain in the butt. It bogs down the tools, and in the case of the drill press, it actually is lifting the piece of wood up. And yeah, it's just a big hassle. Guys, I don't recommend these at all. If they've got these screw ends on them, threaded ends, just steer clear of those. Don't get them. Use the ones that have the point with the bit of a blade on it. They work much better. Right? Ones like this. See that? No screw tip, blade. Good? Not so good. Generally cheaper. Generally more expensive. Don't get it. Go for that.
I'll set you up with the drill. You ready? Now we're cooking with gas. Here we go. Get your big ass in there. Let's go. Hold the bottom. Flush, right? Flush lumber? No, up to the top flush. The LVL's wider. Okay. So, come on, move the lumber over. Okay. Flush it up to the pencil mark, okay?
You got this. You got this.
Over here, Josh. Oh, that's fine. Yeah, grab that. Right up. Hold on. Let me get situated here. Give me a second.
Bunch of holes drilled for our railings.
Alright, I'm gonna figure those tails out. Josh, can you grab all my stuff? I'm coming down.
And Beck Rivers will match your
Food left in the sun has a taste that money just can't buy. So we're done for the day. We gotta order a little bit more. We didn't quite have enough to finish this off. But hey, getting there, almost done. We gotta do the railing there, and of course the railing's all the way around. But almost there. Oh boy, looks like that rain's coming. We might not be getting back to this tomorrow.